Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Let's get into some Christmas. I'm trying to get over the fact that I recorded a video earlier, got up early and recorded a video, and I accidentally erased it. So we're just going to move on and just go on to better things. So, all right, so we're going to do this as a press-on set. I'm going to start off with this pretty blue I got. I think this may be from Beetles. It's from one of those sets on Amazon, you know, where you get like a trillion polishes, but they're really small for cheap. I just grabbed a blue out of one of those. I was going to do pink, and then I changed my mind and said I'll go with a classic dark blue for Christmas. All right, now go ahead and hit the second coat on there. It's a pretty blue. And get that on there as evenly as possible. It's not a bad polish. Yeah, cute. All right, so I got this gold gel polish from one of my scoops from Nail Couture, and it's packed with gold glitter. It's so pretty. This nail is going to be like a gift, so I'm going to do the ribbon with the gold glitter. I'm just taking a liner brush, doing a straight line right across the bottom there. And I'm going to switch to a longer brush because, of course, the longer your brush, the straighter your lines are. So I don't know why I didn't start with that. But we're here now. Now I'll just go ahead and go across the bottom. Cute. Go across the side. And I'm trying to do a line going straight down. Which that is not that straight, but I want my ribbon to look a little thicker, so I kind of straighten it up as I thicken up the line. Yep, that's about right. Cure it, go in again. Because my base is so dark, I really need that glitter to pop. That looks good. On to the next nail. This one, we're going to do like a candy cane-ish effect. So one coat of that first blue, and the second coat, I'm using the glitter blue. It's like the same blue base. It just has glitter-ish pigment particle things in it. And take my liner brush and hit a corner as a guide. And figure out where to place it. Place my second line. Right about here. Okay. Then do a line next to it. And then I just fill in that space for my thicker lines. Now why I just don't use a bigger brush, because I'm kind of just enjoying myself here. Just taking my time, enjoying painting, the craft, the art behind it. Cool. Let's do it again. Put a Place that one right here. Try to follow that angle as closely as possible. And fill her up. And take my flat angle brush and clean up that line because things got a little wild right there in that corner. Get all that covered. And then just a little bit at the bottom. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some glitter and put it across the top. And it looks like I still have a little bit of white in my polish. So I'm gonna have to go and fix that top line. The rest is fine. Wipe off that top. There we go. That's better. Just go over the gold again. Make sure it stands a chance against the dark background. Okay, that's cute. Next nail. All right, of course I wasn't in focus when I did this part, but we're just putting blue in a V shape. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna take my brush and clean up the line there. Ain't gotta be perfect because we're putting stones in there anyway. Take the second coat of blue, that on there. I'm gonna line some of that glitter where that V is, and then just fill that part in to be the background for our stones. Because this one is going to be a Christmas tree. Just get that gold in there however I can. And I'm going to go ahead and put a mat over that blue. Cure it, and one section at a time. I'm going to put some glue. And I got some blue stones, some silver stones, some pearls, and some gold caviar beads. And we're going to throw all of it on there and just mix it up. And yeah. Just one at a time, wherever it lands. All different sizes. Move on to the next section. Stones, pearls, pearls, stones, back and forth. And I'll just let you watch me fill this up. Now, before I finish, I want to pick a star to go on top of my tree, but I can't decide which one. So I'm gonna recruit my daddy for help because everybody needs to be involved. Why not? Come here, Daddy. You're not gonna be able to see it.
I can't get over there.
You can. It's this step right here. There's a space for you. Okay. You like that one better? That star better? Now take a gander.
What star?
You see that star on top of the tree?
Mm-hmm.
You like that star better?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you like that star better?
Mm. I think I like that one, do you?
I think I might too, and I didn't think so, but
Yeah, I like that
the
one.
other one? Okay.
It's more defined.
All right. If people don't like it, it's your fault. Now that we got a star pick, let's finish it up. And we decided to go with the bigger star, just so you could see it better. You know, it doesn't blend in with the stones and stuff so much. So I'm gonna do the bigger star and then throw a little stone in the middle. And bam, there we go. It's so cute. Let's throw it with the rest of them. Coming out nice. All right. Next one, blue base. And this one, blue base, matte top coat. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some gold star flakes. I don't know what these are. I don't know if it's a star or a flake. I guess it's a star against the blue background. Yeah, that's what they are. They're stars. Just put some gold ones on there. Sporadically draw a couple of those on there. So pretty against that blue. And go over it twice so it can stand out. Now the pinky, you know, I decided I love this gold so much, I was just gonna let the pinky shine with the gold. 2 coats of that and just call that a day. It's so pretty. See, that's 1 coat. Jesus Christ. It's gorgeous. Now I'm gonna put a bow on the gift. I have to hold it while my baby flash carries it because it's heavy. And are you ready for our set? It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. I really like how they came out. Wasn't really in the Christmas mood, but I love this set. Thank you so much for watching me today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. See you for New Year's. Bye.